Sometimes, when I am in the middle of a mall, it comes to my mind that there are a lot of shops with my favorite things in there in this mall. What if I could go and buy everything I like without thinking about the amount of money I have in my account? I know, being a 24-year-old adult, these desire seems immature. But suppose, inshallah, if I am in Jannat and I see some big mall kind of place there, what it will be like? Maybe whatever I find pretty in my mind would automatically be mine, and that thing would be in my hand. If I will wish that my body would be like this or that, and in a bit my body shapes into the way I like. My hair color turns into whatever color I like without bleaching or damaging or long hours waiting for my it. My nails remain of certain shape and color of my liking without breaking or damaging. My feet never gets dirty. My hands and face matches the tone of my body. I have a house near one of the beaches of Jannah. I can meet Prophets Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I can get the love of a father from Adam alayhi salam. My whole family is with me in Jannah, healthy and beautiful. We don't have to have any fights there. I don't have to put bed sheets on my bed. I don't need to clean my side table. I don't have to change my baby's diaper. I don't need to use restroom. And there's no bad smell around. What a beautiful life it would be. May Allah grant us Jannah. Ameen.